Hello everyone, and welcome to China. My name is Jennifer. China is a country in Asia, right over here. The Chinese New Year is celebrated a little bit differently than many other countries. This celebration is based off of the lunar calendar. This year it will begin on February 12th and is marked with 15 days of celebrations, from festivals and parades, many featuring dragons you see here. To celebrate the Chinese New Year, we will be making red rattle drums. Inside your kit are all the supplies you'll need to make this project. That includes a cardboard circle, a piece of red paper, a craft stick, as well as some string and beads. To start the project, take your cardboard circle and line it up with your paper all the way in the corner and trace 2 circles around your paper to cut out. Make sure you can fit both circles on your paper before cutting them out. Once they're cut out, you can glue a paper to each side, attach your popsicle stick at the bottom with some tape, and tie on your wooden beads with some string right here on the ends. If you like, you can also decorate your drum with markers or crayons. And you're all finished your project. In China, there are many different foods you might enjoy for good fortune in the new year, such as dumplings for wealth or long noodles for a long and happy life. You may also enjoy a special New Year's rice cake. Some of these rice cakes are savory, or others are very sweet. Inside your kit, you'll find your own rice treat for a sweet start to your new year. Thanks for joining us in China.